In this page, we will call the API that we just created in the previous video in Stripe. So let's implement it right now. Before that, we need to change the price of this dummy data to the real one from our Vuex store. So let's call our getters from the Vuex first. So go to your editor and you want to go to your clients folder, scroll up, and then you want to go to payment.view, and here in this script you want to call the getters. So import map getters from Vuex, and after that you want to map the map getters to our computed property. So down here type computed, and then here spread operator map getters, and then let's go to our Vuex store and check the name that we need to import. Go down and we need to get cart with total price with shipping. So let's copy this, go to payment, paste it here, go back here. And the reason why we need get cart is because when we do our payment, we need to send our cart to our payment API. As you can see, if you go to payment.js, we loop the cart. So we need to send our cart from our front end back to our API. And there's another one that we need to actually send. If you go back to payment.js, we send an estimated delivery. So if you go to our index.js, we don't have any of the estimated delivery getter. So we have to create it right now. So it is simple. So we just do get estimated delivery, pass in the state, and then we just simply return the estimated delivery from here. Shipping estimate delivery, you just want to return it. So copy this, save this, and don't forget to add state in the beginning. So you want to copy, you want to save this, copy this get estimate delivery, go back to payment.view, and you want to paste it here. And now we can actually map our dummy data with get cart total price with shipping. So copy this, go to that 999 which I found here, and change with get cart total price with shipping. You don't want to get cart total price because you want to add the shipping price as well, so hence why we need this instead of get cart total price. So now we have this, so let's save it and let's go back to our Chrome and see the changes first. And then we have it, this is the total price with shipping. So now let's go back to our editor, and now we need to add our API in here. So underneath mounted, you want to type methods, and then you want to type async on purchase. So when the user click the button, this function will be called. And in here you want to do try and catch because we are doing async and await, and then let token equals to await this dot stripe dot create token this dot cart. So this line of code, Stripe will actually bundle up all the information which is coming from the this.cart information, like the cart's number, the cart CVC, and as well as the cart month, year, and so on. And Stripe will actually encrypt all of this information into a token for safety purposes, because we need to send this token back to our payment API. So now we need to do let response equals to await, and we have to call our payment API. Post, and then pass in the API, which is API payment, and then in the body you want to send token, the cart's information, and then total price will be the price from the getter. So we want to get cart total price with shipping. So this dot get cart total price with shipping, and after that you want to do cart this dot get cart, and then estimated delivery will be this dot get, let's see, estimated delivery. So let's just put it here. And after we have attached all this data to the API's body, then we want to check if response dot success, if it's true, then we want to do something here, do something like redirecting to the home page. let's go to payment.js. But after we have saved this, we didn't do any rest.json, so we have to do it. Rest.json, and then message will be successfully made a payment. So let's go back to here. So if success is true, then we want to do something here. Then we want to redirect the user to the orders route, but we don't have it yet, so we're just gonna push it to the main route first. But if you think logically, the moment a user made a payment, we want to clear out our cart. We want to remove everything in our cart, so we need to handle that in Vue.x first. So let's go to our index.js and let's go up, and right below set shipping, you want to do clear cart, pass in the state. So basically we want to do is we want to revert all of the state to its original state in the beginning. So if you go up, you can just copy this entire thing, go down, and we can just add state here, dot, and equals to state.cartLength equal to 0, state.shipping price equals to 0, state.shipping estimate delivery equals to an empty string. So we save this. Oops, make sure you remove this comma. Save this, and now I want to go back to payment.view. So now we want to call that clear cut action. So do this dot store dot commit clear cart, and it will be 0. So it will revert all of the state to its initial state. So now I think we are ready to test, but let's just add console log error here. So now we want to attach our on purchase to the purchase button. So add click here, which is on purchase. And then you want to go to payment.js, and we want to add verify token in our middleware because we forgot to add it, or else we're gonna have an error in here which will be undefined. Our request.decoded. So type verify token. And one last thing that we need to do is we need to go up here, and we need to add in here our API keys. I think I pasted in the .env if I'm not mistaken. So let's go and grab this Stripe secret key, go back to payment.js and do process.env.stripe secret key. So I think we are ready to test. So let's go to our Chrome, and if you don't know where to get the cart numbers, the testing cart numbers, I suggest you to go to Stripe and then testing, and then you want to go to testing Stripe payments, scroll down, and you can copy one of the cart numbers here. In my case, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to client, paste it here, enter the month, and then the year has to be more than the current years, and the CVC and the zip code. And you want to open up your console to see if there's an error or not. So click purchase. So we have successfully made a payment. So let's go back to our dashboard for Stripe and refresh the page and see whether we have made any sales or not. There we have it. We have 458. So we have successfully implemented the Stripe payment. And if we go to our database, so if you go to orders, now we can see orders collection. And then now we have all the products. We have the array of the products, and then we have the owner, and we have the estimated delivery. We have successfully made a payment and store all our cart data, which is the cart products, in the order schema. So in the next video, we will create a new API called Order API so that we can fetch all our order data from the database, and then we're gonna map it to a orders page. So I'll see you guys in the next video.